What's one tradition you'd bring back? One tradition you think we should actually bring back?
Yeah.
Guys are saying we should bring back arranged marriages as a tradition.
Actually, I had something of sort in mind, but not arranged marriages. Okay, arranged marriages. Me, I believe in chemistry. Yeah. Unajua, you can be in a marriage where you are good, I'm good, but our visions,
we don't align.
We don't align, you know. So I believe in chemistry. So I don't support arranged marriages, even though the divorce rate in arranged marriages is very minimal.
Yeah. Afu nowadays unaona venye broken marriages ziko
nani watu walichaguana
sasa fadhali mwache mchaguliane huko.
So me tradition, the tradition that I'd bring back, even though iko but inaisha, ni dowries.
Squeeze
people don't pay.
Watu wakamistay.
Watu wengi si watu wakamistay. Squeeze kamistay ni mingi. So and that's why ina lead to broken marriages. Acha nikwambie, Awit, nikileta ng'ombe 20 kwenyu, unajua ng'ombe moja yenye iko healthy ni kama 20,000. Nilete ng'ombe 20,000 times 20,
that's 400k.
That's 400k, almost 500k. Alafu ikwangi hiyo peke yake, there's some tips you give to the family of the woman, so it will cost you 1 million 2 million shillings. Let me tell you, ukinikosea nifikirie ile investment nimemake. Ndarudi kwa nyumba tuongee kwanza before nikwa. But imagine now, you know, you just met casually in a club, you know, some drinks here and there. Kesho ukakam kwangu, I've spent nothing on you.
On that point, thank you for saying. I was even saying another tradition you should bring back is the dating culture. Squeeze watu wanapenda shortcut. Tunaona hiyo ati mnaenda club, ati mnapiga sherehe, mwende kwa BNB. Hiyo sasa hiyo ni nini? Hakuna talking stage. You don't even know each other. Actually, that's true. Dowry, because during your process of dowry negotiations, there's a lot of things you learn. Even it's nice also for your parents to like know who you're getting married to.
Alafu katika ile process unaweza kuja ujue as in whether you want to
unasema shtangu fulani yeye alifanya hadi harusi. Si of course harusi parents walikuwa everything. But sasa wakamove wakaishi huku Nairobi. Huku Nairobi wameachana sasa almost 2 years, lakini parents hawajui. Hey,
inafanyika
juu wanajua hiyo process walipitia. So unaona sasa those, like hiyo dowry negotiations, hiyo process yote, the dating culture, it helps. It will help curb a lot of broken it will help curb a lot of broken marriages actually. That's one tradition we need to bring back.